Today we'll talk about how can you change your photo profile on your Nextdoor app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Just click here on settings. So then it's going to take, sorry, we will go back until you will click here on your photo profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on my profile, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on edit profile. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you just click on this sign. When you click on it, it's going to show for you like this, and here can you choose your photo from your device, and can you upload it from your Facebook, or can you remove it here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.